Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years, and its benefits are backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. At its core, meditation is about training the mind to focus and redirect thoughts. It's a simple concept, but the effects can be profound. Let's dive into the benefits. First and foremost, meditation is known for reducing stress. When we meditate, we activate the body's relaxation response, which lowers levels of the stress hormone cortisol. This can lead to a decrease in anxiety and an overall sense of calm. Studies have shown that regular meditation can even improve emotional well-being, helping to alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety disorders. Another significant benefit is enhanced concentration. Meditation trains the brain to focus on a single point of reference, whether that's your breath, a mantra, or a visualization. Over time, this practice can improve your attention span and increase your ability to concentrate on tasks in daily life. Imagine being able to sit down and work on a project without getting distracted by your phone or other interruptions. That's the power of meditation. Let's not forget about its impact on physical health. Research indicates that meditation can lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and even boost the immune system. It's fascinating to think that just a few minutes of mindfulness each day can lead to such tangible health benefits. Now, how do you meditate correctly? It's simpler than you might think. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. You can close your eyes or keep them slightly open, focusing on a point in front of you. Start by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This helps to center your mind. Once you feel settled, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, and it will gently guide it back to your breath without judgment. This is a crucial part of the practice. It's normal for thoughts to arise. The key is to acknowledge them and return your focus to your breathing. There are various forms of meditation you can explore. Mindfulness meditation encourages you to be present in the moment, observing your thoughts and feelings without attachment. Loving-kindness meditation focuses on cultivating compassion for yourself and others. Transcendental meditation involves repeating a specific mantra to help settle the mind. Each style has its unique approach, so it's worth experimenting to find what resonates with you. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine doesn't have to be daunting. Start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. You can meditate in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, during lunch for a midday reset, or in the evening to unwind before bed. Remember, the goal of meditation isn't to achieve a blank mind or to escape reality. It's about developing a deeper awareness of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to respond to life's challenges with greater clarity and calm. With consistent practice, you'll likely find that meditation not only enhances your mental and emotional well-being, but also enriches your overall quality of life. So, take a moment, breathe deeply, and embrace the journey of meditation.